Alright, so Carrie, you don't have words yet. So, how do you feel about that?
I'm gonna get fired, so I feel good.
Do you feel left out?
No.
Okay, so what do you think about the cameraman or, in the last one, the health inspector, Billy?
I'm kind of obligated to say I love him.
Oh, what about me? Hmm?
I'm kind of obligated to say that you're awesome.
What about Corey?
She's awesome.
Rebecca?
She's awesome.
And the motherfucker Chris.
He's black.
I'm obligated to say he's okay.
He's at network.
Okay, so how do you like your part?
Fuck you, you fucking...
Like in the, I believe in the last series or in the last episode.
I like it.
But you owe me,
I get bites when I am in it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I like it.
You only fucking soda first.
So what do you think about the whole series of them?
You're hard on the wall.
You're easy.
Do you watch them constantly?
Yeah.
Rebecca, I'm not easy.
Alright, so, I hope that everyone will enjoy everyone in the cast. So, alright.